Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find your profile section on your account on booking.com easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now as you see here, you are on the search or the home page, so you will find your account down here. Now as you see here, this is your account. Now you can manage the account, the personal details, the security settings, other travelers and stuff. So that's it. That's how to find your profile account easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.